We have already discussed list, a mutable sequential data type. We can change the elements. We can change the number of elements. We can add, we can delete, we can insert the elements. Now we are discussing another sequential data type, which is a tuple. But a tuple is immutable sequential data type. Immutable means we cannot add the elements and we cannot delete the elements. We cannot insert the elements. Once we declare the tuple, it is not possible to change the elements in the tuple. So how to declare the tuple? I am taking a equal to open braces, empty open braces. Now a tuple is created. How can I know whether the tuple is created or not? I am checking what is the data type of A. The data type of A is tuple, class tuple, you can observe here. Now we are taking the tuple B. I am giving the open braces. Randomly I am giving integers 1, 2 and some floating value 9.8 and one complex number 3 plus 5j, and I am repeating the integers 1, 2 and also the complex number 3 plus 5j. Now I am giving a string Python and another string program and another string India. So far we have covered all data types. We can include also Boolean data type, true or false, we can add. Okay, now I have, okay, false, spelling is wrong. Okay, we will change that. So FALSE. Okay, so far we have created a tuple B. We are checking what is the data type of B. B is a tuple. As we have already discussed, tuple cannot, the elements in the tuple cannot be deleted. Now I am trying to access the elements by using the indexing. Index works for the tuple. So B of 0 means the first element will come, so 1. Okay, now I want to replace this B of 0 with some element 10. Whatever I have said, if that is correct, now error should come. You can observe here error is coming because tuple object does not support item assignment. You observe this point. So in the tuple there is no provision to us to change the values. So if I type B dot as in the list, only two options are appearing. One is index and the second one is count. Append is not appearing, pop is not appearing, remove is not appearing, extend is not appearing, clear is not appearing, because we cannot clear or we cannot reverse the elements. So only two options are there in the tuple. We discuss about the two options. So first we will discuss about the index. As we have already discussed, when I give the B of -1, it will give the last element. So the last element is false. Now the index slicing, so when I am giving 0 to 3, the elements starting from 0, index 0, 1, 2 elements, first three values 1, 2, 9.8 will be printed. Yes, so I can give now from 3 to -2. I want all the elements, but I don't want the last element. So the last element false is not appearing. Now we will check what is index. B dot index. We are giving the India. Now the index of the India is 9. We are checking what is the index of some 9.8. Index is 2. Now we are checking what is the index of program. The index of the program is 9. Now what is the index of some 9.8? Remember here, the 9.8 is appearing two times. This is the first 9.8 which is appearing at index 2, and this is second 9.8 which is appearing at index 5. Only the first 9.8 index will be given, that is index 2. This is how we have used the index even in the list also. And the another option that is being supported by the tuple is count. We are counting how many times one is appearing? One is appearing 2 times. This is the first one and this is the second one. One is appearing 2 times. Now we are counting how many times this complex number 3 plus 4j is appearing. This is appearing only one time. And now we are counting how many times the number 2 is appearing. The number 2 is appearing 2 times. Okay, so index and count options are working as usual as they worked in the list. But what if I try to use the append? This should not work. So I am trying to add the value 10. It is giving error because the append is not at all supported by the tuple. Now if I am trying to remove one element, first index, it is giving error. So tuple is immutable. Once we create the tuple, we cannot add any new element, we cannot delete the existing elements, and we cannot clear the tuple. Now I am writing clear because it is immutable. Then where we use the tuple? What is the use of the tuple? When we want to do large number of iterations, maybe thousands of times we want to iterate a particular loop, then at that time there is no need to change some values. At that particular instant, tuple gives the faster iteration compared to list. There we use the tuple.